Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Tivimate on your LG Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so before we start, Tivimate Player is specifically designed for Android-based devices and not natively compatible LG Smart TVs running webOS. Therefore, you cannot install Tivimate directly on your LG Smart TV, but there are a few workarounds for this. So workaround number one is use an external Android streaming service. So you can connect an external device such as Amazon Fire TV Stick, Nvidia Shield, or Android TV Box to your LG Smart TV. These devices support Tivimate and can be connected via HDMI. So once connected, you can install Tivimate through the Google Play Store on that external device. And option number two, explore alternative IPTV apps available on your LG content store. So if you prefer to not use an external device, consider alternative IPTV applications that are compatible with webOS and is available in the LG content store. Some popular options include Smart IPTV, SS IPTV, or IPTV Smarters Pro. These apps can be installed directly on your LG Smart TV and configured with your IPTV service credentials.